Hello everyone, welcome back to another latest video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Touch ID and passcodes are missing in the settings. Touch ID and passcodes are not showing in the settings. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, as you can see, as I open the settings and search here for the Touch ID and passcode, Touch ID and passcode option is not showing in the settings. So when I search for Touch ID and passcode here, as you can see, it's missing from the settings. So how to get back this? Go back to your home screen and then open settings. From here scroll it down and here is the screen time, so tap it and then again scroll it down and now tap on content and privacy restrictions and again scroll it down. Here is the passcode changes, so type it and here tap on allow and then go back and check, open settings. As you can see, Touch ID and passcode is present in the settings now. So problem has been solved. If the video is helpful, please do subscribe my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.